guys! Welcome to my channel again. And for today's video, ay share ko sa inyo ang mga tools ko for baking. Ipapakita ko din sa inyo kung anong mga tools ang dapat mong i-invest if you want to start a baking business like this. And if you are new to my channel, I'm more happy if you subscribe first, like, share, and click the bell button here so that you are updated for my more videos. The first thing you will invest first, of course, the oven. Ginagamit nila yung mga rice cooker or steamer lang. Actually, when I start baking, study baking, at first, ang ginagamit ko lang ay ang kaldero at ang sulay namin. Pinapreheat ko lang yung kaldero sa sulay. And then, ang una kong na-bake na cake, gamit ang kaldero at sulay na ay ito. Diba? Nakapag-bake na ako ng cake, gamit lang yung kaldero na preheat ko. Okay? This is the first cake that I made using that one. And then I invest heat, this oven. Second, you invest measuring cups. Hindi mo matatansya-tansya lang yung lasa ng cakes mo. Kailangan mo talaga ng measuring cups for better result. This measuring cups is for dry ingredients. And this one, you invest then nito, the measuring cups for the liquid ingredients. Of course, you will invest baking pans. Baking pans, syempre kailangan mo mag-invest ng mga baking pans. Hindi mo maluluto yung mga cakes mo kung walang baking pans. This is the round baking pans I have. And I have baking pans here. Rectangular. And here, baking pans for cupcakes. And then here for the square pan. Then of course, you invest bowls here like this. Para sa mga pag-mix mo ng mga ingredients, di ba kailangan mo i-mix yung ingredients mo, you invest bowls like this. Yung malalim na mga bowls. And then, of course, you invest turning table like this. Turning table here. Yes, I purchased this in Shoppe. It cost 200 plus 250 like that. Actually, when I'm study baking, I didn't have this one. Nung gumagawa ako ng cake, nahihirapan ako kasi kailangan ako talaga yung umiikot. Instead, iikutin mo lang, hindi ka na mahirapan pang ikaw yung umikot. And you invest this one. It's very good. Turning table. And then ito din, spatula. This, invest, kahit isa lang spatula. I have 3. And then this, scraper. Napaka-importante nito para maging shiny yung cake, kalalabasan ng cake mo, maging shiny siya. Wala siyang lapses. This is for fondant. And then, you purchase like this. Ang gamit nito, ito lalagay ko. Anong gamit nito? Ito lalagay ko dito. Kahit lang maliit lang nito, bumili kayo. Kasi yung nabili ko ay malaki. I buy this 200 plus also. 200 plus. And then you invest this one, the mixer. And then this, hand mixer. I purchased this at the store only 200 plus. Syempre may mga ingredients na one measuring cups yung ingredients niyan, grams lang. Syempre mag-invest din kayo nito. Weighing scale. Weighing scale lang. Na-purchase ko ito sa Shoppe for, I think, mga 200 plus din ito. 200 plus. Then, mag-purchase din kayo nito. Cardboard for your cakes. Cardboard para sa mga cakes nyo. Yan. This is the size 8. Square and the round one. Okay, you invest this one. The rolling pin. It's used for the fondant. And this, you invest this one also, the cutter. Cutter for the fondant. Bili din kayo ng mga piping tips. Piping tips for decorations. Kahit lang for when you are starting baking business, you buy star nozzle tips. 2 only. 2 star nozzle tips. It is very okay. Marami na kayong magagawa na mga designs using star nozzle. And this, you invest this grass tip and the leaf tip. Piping bag. Piping bag for the piping tips. Ilalagay mo yung piping tips dito. Tsaka magda-design na kayo. Okay, yun lang yung mga gamit na dapat yung bilhin when you are starting first a baking business. Ito yung mga gamit ko na na-invest ko na. Here. Yan. Yan. Tsaka here. Puto cheese. Cups for puto cheese. Cups of puto cheese, cups sa cupcakes, and then ito cups for mamon or bingka, and ito for leche plan. This is for my designs here. Para to sa mga fondant, ipupush mo lang to sa fondant, tsaka yan na, lalabas na yung design niya. Yan. Flower, star, flower also. Then, yan yung na-purchase ko na. Lahat na to ay binili ko na sa Shoppe. Nabili ko sa Shoppe. Yan. Leaf, dahon, star, tsaka heart. Then, may butterfly pa. May mga butterflies. And lahat ng mga designs na gusto mo, magagawa mo na gamit lang ng mga ito. Okay. Purchase ko na mga nozzles. Yan. Russian. Then, ito. Russian tips, nozzle, yan, malalaki din ito yung, actually marami to, pero nawala ko lang, ito na lang yung natira, wala na, yan, dati marami yan, 42 pieces to, yan lang yung natira, yan, and then, I purchased this thank you sticker. Nilalagay ko to sa box. This is 500 plus stickers. Then, baking pan. Also here, you invest like this one. Baking sheet. Para hindi madumihan yung fondant na gagamitin mo. Then, bumili din kayo nito ng lalagyan for your tools and for your ingredients. My ingredients, then my tools, some of my lettering tools para sa fondant, sa mga names. Yan. Then ito din. Yan. Piping bag, the chocolate letters. Para sa siya mga chocolate hearts. Lahat ng mga ito ay na-purchase ko lang sa Shoppe. Shoppe PPP. To, congratulations. Yan. Burden. Yan. So is for empanada. Hindi ko pa nabuksan, hindi ko pa na-try. So this one, stand mixer. I have also a mixer like this one, stand mixer. Hindi na ako nahihirapan pa sa kamay. Kasi may stand mixer na ako. Actually, I have a separate vlog of this stand mixer. If you want to watch, I just put the link below. Okay guys, ito yung ginagamit ko na microwave oven for baking my cakes. Ito ang Hanabishi microwave oven. Tingnan natin ang laman sa loob. Ito ay merong 2 trays, the upper and the lower here. And it has 3 buttons here inside. The first, the upper button here used for temperature. The lowest temperature is 100 temperature, and the higher temperature is 250. Usually, I use the temperature of 150 when I bake my cakes. And here, the center, it is the function. I use, it has 5 function here, and usually I use this function, the converter plus converter function here. And then the lower part button here is the timer. The higher timer here is 60 minutes. And usually I bake my cake here to 30 or to 20 minutes. I like this microwave oven since I bake my cakes. I purchased this Hanabishi microwave oven it cost 4,489 kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Then I purchased this Mark Save More in our town.
If there's an instinct to your na kaya mong gusto mong mag-bake, you better start now. Kaya mag-invest ka, you start. Nagsimula din ako sa instinct na ay, baka hindi ko kaya to. Ay, baka mapapahiya lang ako. At saka may mga negative sides din ako na naririnig. Tsaka yun, nadadown na yung self ko. Sabi ko, ay, wag na lang kaya. But, every time that na pumapasok sa utak ko na, ay, gusto ko talaga nito, ay, gusto ko talaga mag-bake, ay, gusto ko talaga gumawa nito. That's why I purchased some of the baking tools. And then, suddenly, I had it. I'm very thankful that I tried. I'm very thankful that I trust myself that I can do.